A Chinese-owned multi-million-dollar cement plant in Magunje, Mashonaland West Province, has sparked division among top ZANU-PF officials and drawn the ire of local villagers. Sabina mashoko achibuda panapa nyazobuda pachina kuti ma-Chinese panguva ino odivhaidha ma-ruling party ZANU-PF heavyweights according to ZVAITWA. Panguva ino vanobuda kunyora vachiti Chinese cement plant device ZANU-PF heavyweights level subscribe or like on the bell icon. The project run by Lebanon Investment Private Limited has become a flashpoint of conflict, with the villagers raising environmental concerns and alleging human rights violations. Residents say the plant is too close to Magunje Dam, their main source of drinking water, and they argue it threatens their grazing land. They are demanding that the plant be relocated to a designated industrial zone. Last Friday, Justice League of Parliamentary Affairs Minister Ziyambi visited the site to meet with the Chinese investors and affected villagers. His visit followed in an unannounced inspection by Presidential Affairs and Devolution Secretary Chafadzwa on KUTI, amid reports that President Mnangagwa had ordered the project to be halted over health and environmental concerns, including its proximity to Magunje Army Barracks. The Chinese company stands accused of defying a High Court order that suspended operations pending investigations by the Environmental Management Agency EMA. Villagers have also reported arbitrary arrests and intimidation by security forces for resisting the project. The dispute has reportedly caused friction within ZANU-PF, with factions clashing over whether the plant should proceed. Ziyambi, who is also a senior ZANU-PF Politburo member, confirmed the visit, saying he wanted to fully understand the situation on the ground. However, conflicting reports continue to emerge from the ground. A local villager who spoke to Newsday said the project was being implemented without proper consultations and in violation of environmental standards. The final decision on the future of the plant now rests with EMA's findings and possible further instructions in the office of the President and Cabinet. This plant you divide ZANU-PF heavyweights. In the comment section, you can subscribe or like on the bell icon.